Steve was on his way home after a long workday, but as he drove down a highway, he had no idea what was about to happen. As he glanced in his rearview mirror, he noticed the headlights of a Tesla headed toward him at breakneck speed. The speeding Model 3 smashed into Steve's Tesla so hard that it was shoved into the concrete barrier on the right before careening across the entire 3-lane highway and slamming into the median barrier. Steve's Tesla was stuck in the breakdown lane with no way to get out of the highway. Eventually, a state worker helped him across the highway after law enforcement arrived. Here's where the story gets really crazy. The driver of the Model 3 pinned the blame for the collision on a vehicle driving in the center lane. They claimed they'd been unable to change lanes to avoid a bike collision because that other car had been in the way. The cops cited the Tesla driver for failing to brake to avoid a collision, but they said it would be difficult to prove exactly what had happened, since they hadn't witnessed the crash themselves. That's where Steve's Tesla cam footage saved the day. Interestingly, the other Tesla drivers said they had never heard of the Tesla cam feature. That just goes to show you should never assume. The Tesla driver has their Tesla cam in operation. Steve told the responding officer about his footage and offered to email it to him. Here's the conversation they had once Steve had the footage ready. "Hey officer, here is the footage from the crash you helped me with Monday. I found the USB. Hope it works for you. That footage is nuts. I'm glad no one was seriously hurt. This will definitely help if the other driver goes to court." It's frustrating to see that so many cars nearby at the time of the crash just drove by and didn't stop to help. Incredibly, nobody was injured in the collision, but both Steve's Model Y and the Model 3 were totaled. Steve immediately ordered another Tesla after the collision, this time opting for a Model X. Kai was giving his daughter a ride home after a visit to the stable, but something felt off. They noticed a Range Rover nearby, and the driver didn't seem very stable at all. Just seconds later, chaos unfolded. The Range Rover suddenly crashed into two vehicles, then rolled over, before somehow landing back on its wheels. Without hesitation, Kai pulled over and called the police. He then got out to check on everyone involved. Incredibly, no one was injured. When officers arrived, they were relieved to learn that Kai had captured the entire crash on video. That footage turned out to be extremely important. The incident was later reported in the local newspaper, and it revealed something shocking. The Range Rover driver was both intoxicated and unlicensed. Honestly, not exactly surprising. Alden was driving to work like any other day when something unusual caught his attention. A Hyundai Ioniq 6 suddenly brake-checked what looked like a delivery van. Moments later, the van swerved into the HOV lane and sped past the Hyundai. For a few seconds, a truck blocked Alden's view, but when he finally got around it, things had already gone wrong. The Hyundai had sideswiped the van at full force. Then it lost control and slammed head-on into the concrete barrier. Alden immediately pulled over to help. He didn't get the full story of what caused the crash, but from what he saw, it looked like a clear case of road rage gone horribly wrong. J Money had parked his Model Y at a mall when a Honda pulled into the spot right next to him. Now, we've all seen door dings before, but what happened next was something else entirely. The Honda driver swung her door open hard, slamming it straight into the side of J Money's Tesla. After the impact, she paused, looked at the damage she had just caused, and then casually adjusted her side mirror. To be fair, maybe the wind caught her door, which made the hit much worse than she expected. And maybe she thought her door had knocked the mirror out of place. But here's the thing, Teslas automatically fold their mirrors when parked, unless the driver turns that feature off. So that wasn't the case. And instead of trying to find the owner, or even leaving a note, she just drove away. What she left behind? A dent? That cost J Money $25 to fix. Mike was waiting at a traffic light when something caught his eye. A car was coming from the left way too fast. Before he could even react, slammed straight into a light pole right in front of it. The impact was so powerful, the car flipped over and the pole came crashing down into the street. Mike immediately called 911. Then, without hesitation, he got out to check on the driver and stayed there until first responders arrived. When police reached the scene, Mike shared his dashcam footage. An officer later estimated the driver was going around 45 miles per hour, well over the 30 mph speed limit. The driver claimed his accelerator had gotten stuck, causing him to lose control. But thanks to Mike's footage, the truth of what happened was clearly captured. And later, Mike even said something interesting. He only installed a dash cam because of videos like these. Donald was on his way to visit family on Christmas, when suddenly a black Dodge Charger came flying past him at high speed. It wasn't just Donald who noticed. Another Dodge Charger, this one driven by a Colorado State trooper, also spotted the speeder. In an instant, The trooper made a sharp move, cutting across the median and turning around. Then the chase was on. Moments later, as Donald continued down the highway, he passed the scene again, just in time to see the outcome. The speeding driver had been caught. Instant justice delivered. Austin was driving home on his usual route, testing the latest version of full self-driving he had just updated the day before. Everything seemed normal until his Tesla entered an intersection. Out of nowhere, a speeding pickup truck ran a stop sign and slammed straight toward him. But in that split second, something incredible happened. The car reacted. FSD instantly warned Austin with loud alerts and visual signals, then swerved to the right while braking, all before the crash. Rear camera footage later revealed something even more surprising. The system had applied the brakes a full second before impact. That 1 second changed everything. Instead of hitting the driver's door, the truck struck the front fender, a much safer outcome. Miraculously, no one was injured. The pickup truck turned out to belong to the city of Renton, Washington. The driver admitted fault, confessing to speeding and running the stop sign. When police arrived, they reviewed the footage, and the officer didn't hold back. After a serious lecture, he asked the driver for her information. Her response? She had left it at home, and according to Austin, that didn't go over very well. Chris was driving his Model 3 in heavy rush-hour traffic when suddenly he found himself boxed in by 4 massive semi-trucks. It almost looked like that famous Volvo commercial with Jean-Claude Van Damme. Perfect lighting, perfect setup. But this wasn't a commercial, and it definitely didn't have a cool ending. Out of nowhere, one of the semi-trucks, registered in Romania, merged into Chris's lane and sideswiped his Tesla. Chris believes the truck driver simply didn't see him, even though his car was bright red. And since Romanian drivers sit on the left side, their blind spots are different compared to what you'd expect. To make things harder, the truck driver didn't speak English. So it took a while just to explain that they needed to exchange insurance details. Thankfully, Chris had one major advantage. His Tesla cameras recorded everything. His insurance company later confirmed the other driver was clearly at fault, something that would have been almost impossible to prove without that footage. In the end, the damage was serious. The Model 3 needed a new bumper, quarter panel, and light cluster. Repairs cost around $8,400 and took about 2 weeks to complete. Carlos was driving his Tesla Model 3 home from work on what had been a completely normal day in Austin, Texas. As he entered the I-35 on-ramp, he merged in front of a white Mazda. Thought nothing of it, but the Mazda driver took it personally. What followed was one of the most reckless cases of road rage imaginable. As Carlos approached the end of the ramp, the Mazda started tailgating him aggressively, then suddenly crossed a solid line and began driving on the shoulder. Moments later, the Mazda swerved toward Carlos, trying to force him out of his lane. Carlos had to quickly dodge, just to avoid being sideswiped. Up until that moment, he didn't even realize he was being targeted. But now, it was clear. Something was very wrong. Staying calm, Carlos continued merging left, while the Mazda sped into the right lane, trying to overtake him. But that lane turned out to be an exit, filled with slow traffic. The Mazda got stuck again. Frustrated, the driver floored it, cut across multiple lanes of traffic, and jumped in front of Carlos. Then came the most dangerous move of all, a brutal brake check. Carlos was forced to slam on his brakes, coming to a complete stop. But the cars behind him couldn't react in time. One by one, they crashed. A chain reaction involving 6 vehicles unfolded behind him. And then, Carlos himself was rear-ended, and the Mazda gone. The driver fled the scene. Carlos briefly tried to follow. But as the Mazda darted toward an exit, he realized something important. His Tesla had recorded everything, so he pulled over and waited. Police arrived quickly and shut down I-35 for over an hour. Carlos showed them the footage, clear evidence of what had just happened. But what they said next was shocking. Since the Mazda never actually made contact, they likely wouldn't pursue the driver. Carlos couldn't believe it. How could someone cause so much destruction and just drive away? Natalie was headed to work on a sunny morning in California when she witnessed something shocking on her way into downtown San Diego. A brutal 4-vehicle collision unfolded right in front of her. Traffic in the passing lane had come to a stop, but the driver of a Ram pickup didn't slow down in time. The truck plowed into a car, pushing it into the back of an SUV. The impact was so strong, the SUV lifted off the ground as it spun uncontrollably before colliding with a Tesla Model 3. Natalie immediately pulled over to help. She had to pry open the white car's door so the driver could get out miraculously. Safely. No one was seriously injured. She gave her contact information to the responding officer and shared copies of her Dashcam footage with all the drivers involved. From what she could see, the car and the SUV were likely totaled,